Quotes of Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Leave as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Where there is love, there is life. When I despair, I remember that all through history the way of truth and love have always won. There have been tyrants and murderers, and for a time, they can seem invincible, but in the end, they always fall. Think of it always. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Prayer is not asking. It is a longing of the soul. It is daily admission of one's weakness. It is better in prayer to have a heart without words than words without a heart. I like your Christ, I do not like your Christians. Your Christians are so unlike your Christ. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. God has no religion. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Hate the sin, love the sinner. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.